Why are specific ingredients in children's vaccines? Imagine a tiny army inside each vaccine, made up of special ingredients that help protect children from serious diseases. These ingredients are carefully chosen to make sure vaccines are safe, effective, and ready to do their job. The main ingredient in all vaccines is called an antigen. Antigens are parts of the virus or bacteria that cause illness. They teach the immune system how to recognize and fight the disease without making the child sick. For example, in vaccines for measles, polio, or whooping cough, the antigen is a weakened or inactivated piece of the germ, which triggers the body's immune response to build protection. Some vaccines include adjuvants, which are substances that boost the immune response. The most common adjuvant is aluminum salts. These help the body create a stronger and longer-lasting immunity, meaning fewer doses are needed over time. The amount of aluminum in vaccines is very small, much less than what children get from their food and water, and decades of research show that aluminum in vaccines is safe and does not cause long-term health problems. Preservatives are added to some vaccines to prevent contamination by bacteria or fungi, especially in multi-dose vials. This is important because contamination could lead to serious infections. For example, thimerosal, which contains a form of mercury called ethylmercury, was used in some flu vaccines. However, it has been removed from all routine childhood vaccines in the United States since 2001. The tiny amount of thimerosal in some flu vaccines is safe and has not been linked to autism or other developmental issues. Stabilizers help keep the vaccine effective during storage and transport. They include sugars like sucrose or lactose, amino acids like glycine, or proteins such as gelatin or albumin. Stabilizers prevent the vaccine from breaking down or sticking to the vial, ensuring it remains effective until used. Surfactants are ingredients that keep all the vaccine components mixed together and prevent clumping. They are similar to substances found in foods like ice cream, helping to keep everything smooth and uniform. Residuals are tiny amounts of substances left over from manufacturing, such as formaldehyde or antibiotics. Formaldehyde is used to inactivate viruses or detoxify bacterial toxins. The amount left in vaccines is extremely small, much less than what is naturally found in foods like apples or in the human body. Antibiotics may be used during production to prevent bacterial contamination, but the types most likely to cause allergic reactions are not used in vaccines. All these ingredients are tested and regulated to ensure they are safe in the amounts used. The benefits of vaccination in preventing serious childhood diseases are much greater than any small risks from these ingredients. Vaccines are a vital part of preventive care and wellness, helping children stay healthy and protected throughout their lives. If you have questions about vaccine ingredients, it's always best to talk with a healthcare professional who can provide guidance based on the latest scientific information.